With 4 visibly marked blade terminals, this relay can be used with horns, compressors, power trunk and many other applications, up to 30 ampere circuits. Made out of black durable plastic waterproof case. This kit includes a pre-wired relay plug which has each of the 4 wires color-coded for an easy, clean and professional installation without the use of any special tools, and a universal Momentary horn button switch that can be used with any brand or model horn that requires a switch for activation.